Do you want to go to the beach tonight? Do you want to go to the beach tonight?
Sure, which beach are we going to? Sure, which beach are we going to?
I wanted to go to Malibu Beach. I wanted to go to Malibu Beach.
I like Santa Monica. I like Santa Monica.
The water there looks so dirty. The water there looks so dirty.
I just like the pier they have at Santa Monica. I just like the pier they have at Santa Monica.
I like the pier too, because it's beautiful at night. I like the pier too, because it's beautiful at night.
Is Malibu Beach nice? Is Malibu Beach nice?
It's a lot nicer, and I really like it better. It's a lot nicer, and I really like it better.
So you want to go to Malibu? So you want to go to Malibu?
If that's okay with you. If that's okay with you.
Sure, let's go to Malibu. Sure, let's go to Malibu.
The ocean is so big. The ocean is so big.
You can't see the end of it. You can't see the end of it.
It goes on and on forever. It goes on and on forever.
And it's deep too. And it's deep too.
I think it's 5 miles deep. I think it's 5 miles deep.
Are there fish at the bottom? Are there fish at the bottom?
There are fish at the top and the bottom. There are fish at the top and the bottom.
Are there more fish or more people? Are there more fish or more people?
I think there are more fish. I think there are more fish.
I hope so. I love to eat fish. I hope so. I love to eat fish.
What a great day to be at the beach. What a great day to be at the beach.
I love the smell of the saltwater air. I love the smell of the saltwater air.
Are you going to go swimming in that water? Are you going to go swimming in that water?
You bet I'm going into the ocean. You bet I'm going into the ocean.
I actually hate swimming in the ocean. I actually hate swimming in the ocean.
Why do you like the beach then? Why do you like the beach then?
I like people watching. I like people watching.
Do you like doing that at the pool? Do you like doing that at the pool?
Yes, but when I go to the pool, I actually swim. Yes, but when I go to the pool, I actually swim.
So I guess you won't go surfing with me. So I guess you won't go surfing with me.
Nope, but I'll cheer for you from my beach towel. Nope, but I'll cheer for you from my beach towel.
I'd rather go do something together like making a sandcastle. I'd rather go do something together like making a sandcastle.
Can you teach me to swim? Can you teach me to swim?
Why don't you take a class instead? Why don't you take a class instead?
Swim classes are embarrassing. Swim classes are embarrassing.
I suppose I can teach you. I suppose I can teach you.
How did you learn to swim? How did you learn to swim?
My father threw me into a lake when I was 4 years old. My father threw me into a lake when I was 4 years old.
You could have drowned. You could have drowned.
I could have, but I swam instead. I could have, but I swam instead.
Is that how you plan to teach me? Is that how you plan to teach me?
It's the best way to learn. It's the best way to learn.
I think I will sign up for the class after all. I think I will sign up for the class after all.
Okay, that is less work for me. Okay, that is less work for me.
Dive, dive. Island, island. Ocean, ocean. Salt water, salt water. Sand, sand. Sea, sea. Seashore, seashore. Sea star, sea star. Sunburn, sunburn. Sun hat, sun hat. Swim, swim. Waves, waves.